Alright, I have our 916 pump connected to our 672 gauge. Here I have it connected to a Hart transmitter. The first thing I'm going to do is vent the system to atmosphere. And do this, I need to zero my gauge. So I hold down the zero button, it zeroes it out. Then I need to lock in my pump or my valve, and then I can start generating pressure. Right now it's reading in PSI. If you want to change that, you can change it by pressing this button to different units: inches of water, bar, millibar, but I'll leave it at PSI. Here you can see I have it connected with the transmitter, and the transmitter is now outputting 9.5 milliamps. Now if I want to change this, I can press this button here, and now it's voltage. Now it's temperature, so it's reading the temperature of the transmitter. This is for switches, so it's reading open. And this is a time for a leak test. And now we're back to milliamp. Now, if you want to activate the Hart function, you would press the Hart button and hold it down. Now it goes out and detects it. It gives you a little star that tells you that it's communicating with it. And then to go into the different functions of it, you press the Hart. So here's the display sensor. So if I press this button, it gives me the range of the sensor. So it's -15 to 30 psi. To go back, I press here, and then I can go range. And this is all in the user's guide, what these all stand for. I'm not sure. There we go. So we want to see the pressure output. You go to this one, and you can see that the transmitter is now reading 10.3 and 10.4 psi. And you can kind of see that on the display of the transmitter is reading 10.4. It's a little bit more accurate on the gauge side of it. So that's just a quick rundown of how the 672 kind of works.